Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Real English Practice, your place to learn easy, real-life English.
Hi, friends. I'm so happy you're here today. We have a very special topic, family.
That's right. Family is an important part of life, and today we'll learn how to talk about your family in English.
We'll learn family words, practice sentences, listen to a real conversation, and review everything step by step.
So, get comfortable, grab a drink, and speak with us. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you love learning English with real conversations. Let's start with the word family.
Family means the people you live with or love, your parents, children, brothers, and sisters.
Yes, repeat after us. Family.
Family. Good.
Now, let's say a few short sentences. My family is big. My family is small. I love my family.
Excellent. Family can mean your mother, father, sister, brother, and more. Let's learn these words one by one.
Okay, repeat after us. We'll go slow. Mother,
Father,
parents,
brother,
sister,
grandmother,
grandfather,
grandparents,
son,
daughter,
uncle,
aunt.
cousin.
Nice. You're doing amazing.
Let's say them a little faster now. Mother, father, parents, brother, sister, grandmother, grandfather, son, daughter, uncle, aunt, cousin.
Perfect. Now that we know the words, let's make some simple sentences.
Repeat after us. My mother is kind. My father works in an office. I have one brother. I have two sisters.
Nice. Try this one. My grandmother cooks very well.
Or, my grandfather likes to tell stories.
That's great. Now let's talk about how to describe your family. Big, small, funny, close.
My family is small. We are 4 people.
My family is big. We are 7 people. Your turn. Say, my family is blank people. Good job.
Let's listen to a short family conversation.
Hey, Tom. Tell me about your family.
Sure, I live with my parents and my sister. My father is a teacher and my mother is a nurse. My sister is 10 years old.
That's nice. Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have one cat. Her name is Bella. Okay, let's talk about what we heard. Who is in Tom's family?
His parents and his sister.
What does his father do?
He's a teacher.
And his mother?
She's a nurse.
Good. Now let's listen again and this time repeat some sentences.
I live with my parents and my sister. Repeat.
My father is a teacher. Repeat.
My mother is a nurse. Good job.
And finally, I have one cat. Excellent. Now, let's talk about how to describe your family members.
You can use adjectives like kind, funny, tall, short, smart, friendly, and hardworking.
Let's try some examples. My mother is kind. My father is funny. My sister is smart. My brother is tall.
Great. You can also talk about what they do. My mother works in a hospital. My father drives a bus. My brother studies at school. My sister likes music.
Let's repeat together. My mother works in a hospital. My father drives a bus. Good job.
Let's talk about brothers and sisters. We call them siblings.
Do you have any brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have one brother. He's older than me.
Nice. I have 2 sisters. One is older, one is younger.
Let's practice. Say, I have one brother. Good. Now, I have two sisters. Excellent.
If you don't have brothers or sisters, you can say, I am an only child. Say it. I am an only child.
Perfect.
Let's practice a short family talk. I'll ask, you answer.
Who is in your family? Say, my mother, father, and sister.
What does your father do?
Say, he is a teacher.
What does your mother do?
Say, she is a nurse.
Do you have any brothers or sisters?
Say, yes, I have one brother.
Great work. Now let's change roles. You ask, we answer.
Who is in your family?
My mother, father, and brother.
What does your mother do?
She works in an office.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have one dog.
Nice.
Let's talk about what families do together.
Families eat together. Families watch TV together. Families travel together. Families celebrate birthdays together.
Let's repeat a few. We eat dinner together. We watch TV together. We celebrate together.
And you can say, my family is very close. Or, we love spending time together.
That's beautiful. Okay, let's review what we learned today.
We learned new words. Mother, father, brother, sister, grandmother, grandfather, uncle, aunt, cousin.
We practice sentences. I have one brother. My mother works in a hospital. My family is small.
And we practiced describing. My sister is kind. My father is funny.
Amazing work today. Now we want to hear from you.
Shiny stars. Who is in your family? Tell us in the comments below.
You can say, my family has 4 people, my mother, father, and 2 brothers.
Yes, write your answer and practice in English.
And don't forget, like, share, and subscribe for more English every day with real English practice.
You're learning, you're growing, and you're doing amazing. Keep practicing, and we'll see you in the next episode.